Alright, we're off and running. Starting at mile 21.7. We're going to go down to mile 0. Alright, so this is Copperhead landing on the Neusiok Trail. Some good spots for hammocks there. A little bit of room for tents. Nice view out onto the water. Leave you a shovel there for your cat holes. Ask that you get a reasonable distance from camp. Ah, here we go. Here it is. Just came from the North Carolina 101 crossing. Blue blaze tells us there's water. Very similar setup. Here we are at Dogwood camp, home for the night. Get out here and find a spot to hang my hammock. I think I see one right on the other side of this fallen log, right between that tree and that tree. Yeah, we just came from Dogwood shelter. This here is camp for the night. Blackjack Lodge. I left us a frying pan and an ice cream scoop. This gallon Ziploc is my trash bag I bring with me when I'm hiking. All my little food bits and the such go in there as I make my way down the trail. We start leaving little bits behind, just end up with trash all over. Nobody wants to come into that. I'm going to take one of those blue Food Line bags. I was dropping my water drops in, and I'm going to gather that up. Leave camp better than I found it. Y'all remember, if you bring it with you, make sure you take it back out. If it's not sealed when you find it at camp, I wouldn't drink it. That looks like a doctor's specimen somebody put in there to me. It never fails. I feel like I'm always carrying somebody's trash out. I'll leave the stool. It's still got some life in it. It was nice to have at camp last night. Here's something to watch for in these shelters. Little bee's nest. It's not active. Too cold for them right now. Finishing up the trail, coming out to the parking lot at Oyster Point Campground. See my wife and little girl waiting for me in the car. They haven't spotted me yet. They think I'm coming from the other direction. Mile 0.